Hi everyone. Today we will discuss types of waves. So before this class in class 1, yesterday we discussed about the introduction of wave, how to produce a wave and some examples of wave and definition of wave and wave motion. Today the wave is propagates one place to another place. The wave is moves from one place to another place. So without moving the matter particles, the only energy is transporting one place to another place. So it is called the wave motion. Now types of waves along the direction. Okay, so this is along direction. So these are waves are three types. So first one dimensional wave. So one dimensional wave is like, so when a wave is produced, example, wave is produced in stretched string. Okay, so when a stretched string is connected at two ends, when the disturbance is created, what happens here? It is wave is produced. This wave is moves along only one dimensional. So it is a one dimensional wave. Second one, two dimensional wave. Two dimensional waves are nothing but the wave of propagation. Okay, propagation of the wave is in two dimensional, that is x direction and y direction. So it is called the two dimensional wave. So for example, the ripples are produced, ripples in liquid surface. Okay, and third one, three dimensional waves. So three dimensional waves are nothing but when the wave is along x direction, it is moves along x direction and y direction and z direction. It's called the three dimensional waves. So for example, sound waves and light waves, etc. Okay, sound waves and light waves. So when the produce the sound from my mouth, it is traveling so one place to another place to the listener in all directions, that is x direction, along y direction, along z direction also. So these are the according to dimension, three types of waves. So along the matter, along the medium, so the classification of waves. So classification are the waves is classified into two types. So here, so we can take the wave is classified into two types due to the matter. So that is First one, mechanical waves. So this is non-mechanical wave. Okay, mechanical wave and non-mechanical wave. So first one, mechanical waves are nothing but the wave is traveling in matter only. It is called the mechanical waves. Okay, so certain waves, the wave, sound wave and stretched string, the wave in stretched string. So the waves are produced in liquids. So these are the mechanical waves. Okay, the sound wave is moves only in solids, liquids and gases. So it is called the mechanical waves. So for example, sound wave. And non-mechanical waves, okay, it is not, the wave is not essentially, it moves from one place to another place, the wave is not essentially for matter, not essential of what of matter. It is called, it is not a, it is also, it propagates in vacuum also. It is called the non-mechanical waves. So for example, light waves. Okay, light waves. So when the light is traveling from sun to earth, certain height from the earth, it is consists the atmosphere, that means gases. After certain height to, it is consist only vacuum. So without atmosphere, that is vacuum. The light is travel from sun to earth in vacuum also. So it is called the non-mechanical waves. Okay, so for example, light waves, the light is traveling from sun to the earth and stars to the earth. So it is called the non-mechanical waves. Again, mechanical waves are classified into two types: to the propagation direction. Okay, propagation. So these are called the progressive waves and stationary waves. Stationary wave. Okay, progressive wave is nothing but when the propagation of the wave is along only one direction, it is called the progressive wave. Okay, when the wave is moves like here, when the wave is moves in one direction only, it does not reflect back. Okay, when the wave is not reflect back, it is called the only progressive wave. And stationary wave is nothing but when the progressive wave is moves, progressive wave and reflect wave is overlapped to each other, so it is called the stationary wave. We can discuss, we will discuss this topic, stationary wave, what is standing waves, what is stationary waves, in next topic. Okay, this is according to direction of propagation. So it is divided two types: progressive waves and stationary waves. So again, the progressive wave is divided into two types, that is longitudinal waves, and second one, transverse waves. Okay, for longitudinal waves, the examples are sound wave, and transverse wave example is light waves. Light waves are the waves are produced in stretched string. So these are the transverse waves. Okay, now we can discuss what is longitudinal waves, what is transverse waves, some examples. So now longitudinal wave. So longitudinal wave is nothing but the direction of the vibration of the particle is parallel to the direction of the vibration of propagation of the wave is called the longitudinal wave. Okay, so when the definition is, if the direction of the propagation, if the direction of the propagation of wave is parallel to the direction of vibration of the particle, is called as longitudinal wave. Okay, here, so example is sound wave. Sound wave is an example for longitudinal wave. So here, if the direction of the propagation of wave is parallel to the direction of the vibration of the particle is called the longitudinal wave. So for example, sound wave, when sound is produced, for example, we have take a tuning fork. So this tuning fork is produce a sound, okay, certain frequency. So when one side is vibrate, okay, when it is vibrate, so what happens? It is vibrate continuously. So nearby air particles are, okay, it is acquire disturbance, it is acquire the energy. Now what happens? It is energy acquired and vibrate to each other, and again it is the density is less, again density is more here, again here density is less, like that the wave is transferred from one place to another place. So okay, the wave propagation direction is x direction, for example x direction. The vibrating direction also, vibrating of the particle, so this particle is vibrate here, and this particle is vibrate here, this particle is vibrate here. The vibrating particle direction and propagation of the wave direction is parallel to each other, it is called the longitudinal wave. All sound waves are longitudinal waves. Okay, here longitudinal wave is propagate is one place to another place. It produce compressions. So here it is compression, and it is rarefaction. Rarefactions are produced. Okay, here also it is also rarefaction. So it is compression, so it is rarefaction, so it is compression. Okay, alternatively compression, rarefactions, compressions and rarefactions are produced in longitudinal wave. Okay, in longitudinal wave, compressions, rarefactions, compressions, rarefactions are produced. So what is means by compressions? The densities more of vibrating particles is called the compressions, and density is less of the vibrating particles are called the rarefactions. Okay, compressions, rarefactions are produced. For these compressions and rarefactions, the wave is propagate from one place to another place. For example, this is produce the sound. Here, listener are there. So here, a listener is there. Here is a listener. So the listener is listen this sound. Okay, so this is called the longitudinal wave. Next, second one is transverse wave. Transverse wave. Transverse waves is nothing but if the direction of the propagation of the wave is perpendicular to the direction of vibration of the particle is called as transverse waves. Transverse wave. Okay, so for example, wave in a stretched string, are light waves. All light waves are transverse wave. So here, for example, a stretched string is stretched and both ends is connected. Okay, so when the disturbance is created in middle, so what happens? The wave is propagates one place to another place. Okay, the wave is like here, the wave is vibrating perpendicular direction. Okay, so here also perpendicular. It is wave propagation of the wave is from x direction along x direction, and the particles, okay, the vibrating particles, it is vibrate along y direction. Here it is vibrate here. The wave propagation along x direction, and so it is along y direction. The vibrating particles are y direction, so it is perpendicular to the direction of the vibration of the particles are called the transverse waves. In transverse waves, so here it is crest and trough are produced. Here it is crest and it is trough, and it is crest and it is trough is produced. Okay, trough, crest, and it is crest, it is trough, and crest, trough, like that. So it is a progressive waves. Okay, here longitudinal wave and transverse wave both are here. Progressive waves. These progressive waves are moves towards x direction or towards one direction. Okay, along this direction. Okay, it is also the light waves and sound waves along x direction, y direction, z direction also. So just we can imagine here along x direction, here also along x direction. So vibrating particle is perpendicular to the, it is vibrate perpendicular to the x direction. So vibrating particle is vibrate along x directions parallel to the propagation of the wave. It is called the longitudinal wave. So here it is called the transverse wave. Okay, for transverse wave examples, waves are produced in stretched string. So the waves are produced in light. Okay, here all sound waves are consist of longitudinal wave. So next class we will discuss about the progressive wave equation, displacement of progressive wave equation.